In today's world, dashcams have become essential for drivers, offering security on the road. With advancements in technology, dashcams provide high-definition recording and smart features. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, investing in a quality dashcam can be invaluable. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 dashcams of 2025. Number 5. Nexar Beam. The Nexar Beam is a compact and connected dashcam designed for drivers who prioritize real-time updates. It records at 1440p resolution, delivering clear and detailed footage. One of its standout features is the seamless integration with the Nexar app, allowing for live monitoring. The beam setup is straightforward, utilizing an OBD power supply for continuous operation. Its connectivity features make it a reliable choice for those seeking immediate access to their driving footage. Number 4. The Rove R2 4K Pro. The Rove R2 4K Pro offers impressive video quality with its 4K Ultra HD recording capabilities. This ensures that every detail on the road is captured with clarity, from license plates to street signs. The dashcam features built-in Wi-Fi, allowing users to view and manage recordings directly from their smartphones via the Rove app. Additionally, it comes equipped with GPS tracking. Its user-friendly interface and robust feature set make it a great value for drivers without breaking the bank. Number 3. Garmin X310. Garmin's X310 is a compact dashcam that excels in both performance and safety features. It records in sharp 4K resolution, ensuring clear footage in various lighting conditions. The device includes advanced driver assistance systems, enhancing on-road safety. A built-in polarizing filter reduces windshield glare, resulting in crisp and clear videos. While it relies on the Garmin Drive app for additional functionalities like cloud storage and live view, the X310's straightforward installation and reliable performance make it a top contender for many drivers. Number 2. VanTrue N2 Pro. The VanTrue N2 Pro is tailored for those requiring comprehensive coverage such as rideshare drivers. It boasts a dual camera system that records both the road ahead and the vehicle's interior simultaneously. The front camera captures footage in 1080p while the interior camera is equipped with infrared LEDs, ensuring clear nighttime recordings. The N2 Pro also offers parking mode, motion detection, and loop recording, ensuring continuous surveillance and storage efficiency. Its sturdy build and reliable performance make it a trusted companion for professional drivers. Number 1. Nextbase IQ. Nextbase IQ is a premium dashcam that combines top-tier video quality with smart features. It offers multiple recording resolutions including 1080p, 2K, and 4K, ensuring crystal clear footage. The IQ stands out with its advanced functionalities such as proximity radar for enhanced parking security and witness mode. The emergency SOS feature can contact emergency services with your location in case of severe accidents. Voice control and obstruction detection further enhance the user experience, making the Nextbase IQ the best in dashcam technology. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.